We want to find x in the triangle below. Here is x. Let's call it A, since it's the side we're trying to find. The angle opposite is A. We could then call this side B and the angle opposite B, this side C and the angle opposite C. Now let's collect our data in a table. A and A, B and B, and C and C. A is x, angle A is 110 degrees, side B is 12 centimeters, side C is 14 centimeters. Note how we don't know any pairs of information. That leads us to the conclusion that we're going to use the cosine rule. So we have a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared. Take away 2 times b times c times the cosine of the angle A. Note that this says a squared equals, so this formula is set up for finding the side A, which is why I called the side that I'm trying to find A. Substituting in, x squared is going to be 12 squared plus 14 squared. Take away 2 times 12 times 14 times the cosine of 110 degrees. When calculating this, do it all in one go. The whole thing into the calculator at once. If you do that, you'll find that x squared is 454.91, and so on. Square rooting both sides gives that x is 21.32, and so on. So x is 21.3 centimeters, correct to 3 significant figures.